In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsnooze notifications on Slack. If your Slack has been a little too quiet, chances are you've snoozed notifications, also known as turning on Do Not Disturb. Unsnoozing simply means turning those alerts back on so you can see new messages, mentions, and calls as they come in. The good news is, it only takes a moment, and the steps are the same idea on both desktop and mobile. Start by opening Slack and locating your profile picture. On desktop, you'll typically find it in the top corner of the app window. On mobile, look for your profile image within the app's main navigation. Depending on your version, it may appear at the top or bottom of the screen. Tap or click that profile picture to open your account menu. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Pause Notifications. This is Slack's Do Not Disturb control center, where snooze settings live. Go ahead and select Pause Notifications to open its options. If you've been snoozed, you'll see that it's currently active. Now choose Resume Notifications. The moment you select Resume, Slack will immediately turn off Do Not Disturb, and your alerts will start coming through again in real time. You don't need to restart the app or change any other settings. Mentions, direct messages, and channel updates will notify you as they normally do. A few quick cues can confirm it worked. You may notice the bell or snooze indicator return to normal, and the Pause Notifications menu will no longer show an active snooze period. If you previously saw a banner or status indicating notifications were paused, that should disappear once you resume. Keep in mind, resuming notifications doesn't retroactively push everything you missed while snoozed. Those messages are still waiting for you in your channels and DMs, and you'll see unread badges and highlights, but you won't get a flood of old alerts. From this point forward, new activity will notify you as usual. If you prefer to stay focused but still be reachable, remember that you can come back to the same Pause Notifications area anytime to pause again later. Unsnoozing is just as quick the next time you need to be available. That's all there is to it. Click or tap your profile picture, open Pause Notifications, and choose Resume Notifications. You've successfully unsnoozed Slack and turned off Do Not Disturb, so you won't miss important updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.